Good morning. Yeah, you're absolutely right. COVID-19 still had an impact on our sales growth in the first quarter. But it's much more about the underlying growth related to all the new medicines and diagnostics outside of COVID-19. So we have seen high single-digit growth for our non-COVID portfolio, and we expect high single-digit growth for our non-COVID portfolio for the remainder of this year.
Where are you most excited about the breakthroughs as well? I know there's interesting stuff going on, whether it's haemophilia, whether it's multiple sclerosis, or cancer as well. Just tell me what you're most excited about the pipeline that would then get our viewers and investors excited.
But one highlight I would certainly focus on is our recent launches of two breakthrough medicines for severe eye diseases called Vabysmo and Susvimo. We just recently launched those two medicines in the US. They will set a new standard of care. So that's one area I'm really excited about. And then there is a lot coming through on the oncology side with a number of new medicines for severe diseases.
And Severin, if I can jump in and ask you about the Russia-Ukraine situation. Obviously, it is going to have an impact on the business. Can you tell us more about how the board is thinking about your engagement in Russia and what you think losses may look like over time?
In fact, the business impact for the Roche Group is very limited. Overall, Russia only accounts for about 1% of our total group sales. What is actually more important, and that's not only true in Russia, but also in Ukraine, is an overproportional rate of clinical trials we have in the countries. So our focus is very much on the continuation of the clinical trials to mitigate all the impact of this terrible war.
And can I ask you about inflation and how you're feeding that into what you expect price rises to look like going forward? Obviously, we're all very sensitive now to higher prices, but I guess on the input side, we've seen some remarkable rises on input cost inflation. How are you preparing to weather that storm, and what will you pass on in terms of percentage rises?
Traditionally, in our industry, it is very difficult to implement price increases, in particular outside of the United States. So at the end of the day, if I look at it from a strategic point of view, it is much more about continuously shifting the standard of care, bringing new indications, new medicines to the market, because that is really every time an opportunity to also, set new levels for pricing related to the innovation we bring to the market.